Guiding with your thesis. Leading the reader through your argument. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of academic writing, the thesis statement. More specifically, we'll explore how to position your thesis statement in a way that acts as a guide for your readers. Remember, your thesis statement isn't just a claim, it's a roadmap. Let's learn how to highlight and position it effectively. The thesis statement is the anchor of your essay. It not only states your main argument or point, but it also gives readers an idea of what to expect as they move through your paper. Think of it as a promise to your reader about what you intend to prove or discuss. By placing it in a strategic location, you can ensure your readers are tuned into your central argument right from the start. Typically, the thesis statement is positioned at the end of the introduction. This location works well for most essays because it 1. Provides context after introducing the topic. 2. Sets the stage for the body paragraphs that follow. 3. Acts as a natural transition from general introductory material to the specific point of the essay. However, depending on the length and style of the essay, some writers may choose to weave their thesis into the middle of the introduction or even open with it. The key is to place it where it can best serve as a guide. Every time you introduce a new point or idea in your essay, think about how it relates to your thesis statement. By continually referring back to your thesis, you remind your reader of the main argument and ensure the entire essay remains cohesive. This doesn't mean repeating the thesis verbatim. Instead, rephrase and echo its central ideas to keep the focus sharp. As you write and revise, you may find your argument shifting. That's okay, but remember, if the main idea of your essay changes, the thesis should reflect those changes. Keep it updated, so it continues to act as an accurate guide for your readers. And there you have it. The thesis statement is more than just a declaration. It's a tool to guide your readers through the argument you're presenting. By positioning it effectively and using it as a touchstone throughout your essay, you'll keep your writing focused and your readers engaged. We hope you found this deep dive into the thesis statement useful. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.